ये देखो कितनी तेज है। बहुत दूर से बारिश हो रहा है यार एकदम। रोड जो पूरा वाइट वाइट दिख रहा है देखो पूरा। क्या बारिश है यार, मजा आ गया। धूप भी निकला है, बारिश भी हो रहा है यार, अजीब मॉडल बारिश हो रहा है एकदम।
On Thursday, November 24th, heavy rainfall in Jeddah led to severe flooding in the west of Saudi Arabia. Videos shared by residents showed Jeddah struggling with the aftermath of the rainfall, as severe flooding hits the area. Cars were swept away, streets were engulfed and property was destroyed by the floods.
الله 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 الله، هذه امواج، شوف سياره تنسحب تسوي العين دوس. يا ساتر.
The floods have also caused flight delays at King Abdulaziz International Airport, school closures, and blocked the road to Mecca. Most residents were forced to stay indoors as they watched water levels rise steadily outside their homes, while most streets remained flooded. According to the National Meteorological Center of Saudi Arabia, 179 millimeters of rain fell in southern Jeddah on Thursday between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m., was the highest on record. Traffic resumed on the Mecca-Jeddah expressway in both directions after disruption for many hours. Saudi's Civil Defense Agency issued a weather warning amid the extreme weather conditions, advising motorists and residents to be wary of conditions. Winter rainstorms and flooding occur almost every year in Jeddah, where residents have long decried poor infrastructure.